This is In the Wild with Chris. Today I'm out in the forests south of Stockholm in Sweden. I'm enjoying a very sunny weather, warm day. When I go out in the wild, I always carry a small survival kit. It's a very minimized kit that I have refined and trimmed over the years. But it will help me get by in most situations for several days. I have composed mine myself, but you can buy ready-made kits. The important thing is that you know how to use what you bring along, and also that it is compact enough for you to always bring it along. All in all, this kit cost me around $20 to compose, and you can read the complete list in the information below. This is what I carry in my survival kit. I have a Swiss Army style knife. It's a cheap knife, but will get me through most situations, and it takes hardly any room at all. I carry a rescue blanket. It's both for keeping me warm, but it can also be used as a sleeping bag. In my kit I have about 3 meters of paracord. This is a strong rope that can take about 250 pounds of weight. It can be used to mend your clothes, make fishing line. Zip ties are very useful, both for building a camp, mending your gear. You can even use it instead of a shoelace. I carry a couple of 2-liter plastic bags that I can use to gather water in. I carry a couple of disinfection swabs that will complement the ones I have in my hygiene kit. I have the means to make fire. I have a fire steel, I have a Bic lighter, and I carry a couple of tampons. Now, a tampon is useful to start a fire because it catches a spark real easily and it burns for at least a minute, giving you time to put on kindling and build up the fire. To get started, you open up the tampon and spread it out. Take your fire steel and there we go. Instant fire. Carry a little reel of fishing line with fishing hooks. A small flashlight. And 2 button compasses if I lose my other compass or it stops working. In my kit I also carry a few painkillers. These are ibuprofens, which are both anti-inflammatory and pain relievers. I carry a mirror used for signaling in emergency situations. A wire saw. You can't cut down a whole tree, but you can cut off pieces of wood to use for your fire and build a camp. And I have some candy to give me a quick energy boost if I'm lost somewhere. You want to make sure your kit is small enough to carry in your trouser pocket. I hope this gives you some tips on what you should bring along, and please comment below if you have something else you carry with you when you go out in the wild. If you've enjoyed this and found this video useful and educating, please give it a like. Subscribe to my channel and share it. Until next time, this is In the Wild with Chris, and I'm out.